So I just got the package. This is from a company called Yumi. So let's take a look. So this is what it comes with. It comes with like a menu of all the flavors that they carry. It has a little welcome to the Yumi family. And it has some stickers on here. Okay. This is what the package comes with. So there's an ice pack in here. So you guys can see, pretty cool. Big ice pack. Make sure that it keeps it nice and cold. And it has 2 packages. I'm going to be taking these out. And there's another package in here. And of course, I have another ice pack on the bottom. So this comes really nicely packaged. I love how they put the 2 the big giant ice blocks in there, so that way your food stays nice and cold. They come in these nice, pretty packages. There's 4 in each one. Okay. So I took them out of the package, and there's 8 of them. And so they have cauliflower, they have apricot, they have zucchini, they have a white bean, they have strawberry, there's another cauliflower, this one's blueberry, and this one is spinach. Okay, so they are really nice. I love how the packaging looks. They're pretty cool. This is from the company called Yumi, and I was able to get these for $13.33. It is a subscription, so you can go ahead and sign up, and then it'll give you updates on the delivery, and then you can go on the website, on the Yumi website, and there you can adjust your order. So if you want to keep ordering, you can keep ordering from there. It'll give you the dates and the weeks when they will deliver to you. And if you want to go ahead and cancel, you can cancel on there. If you want to add other products that they carry, you're also able to add it on there. But these look very cute. So keep in mind that these are just the flavors that come in the first order pack that you get, but they do have a lot of different flavors. So for $13, pretty good deal. This is the menu. As you guys can see, I'm going to show you guys all the flavors that they carry. So you guys can see they have very yummy flavors that you are able to choose, so you can have your baby try them. Look at that one. Purple sweet potato, kidney bean, dragon fruit.
All right, there is good. Good. And let's see if we got here. There we go.
Look at that one too. Thai coconut ginger soup.
Yeah, people are mad. People are very
Lebanese lentil soup. Wow. Look at that one. That one looks pretty neat too. I like the colors on here. Strawberry basil pie. Pumpkin pie, peach blackberry pie, mango chai pudding, raspberry chai pudding, English breakfast pudding, kiwi pudding, papaya chai pudding, carrot, spinach, and millet bowl. So as you guys can see, eat the rainbow. Check off the flavors your baby tries here. So basically they have the little circles, so that way once your baby gets to try them all, you guys can do a little check mark, and that way you can decide which one's your baby's favorite one. So you want to keep reordering that one that he loves, but this is pretty neat. Stay tuned for more. Each season we work with your favorite chefs to bring new limited run flavors. Really nice. Love this Future foodies start here. Taste preference are formed in the first 24 months. We try to foster a lifelong love of real food by exposing your babe to more than 80 fresh ingredients. Remember, it can take more than a dozen tries before your little one loves one flavor. Pretty neat. So I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely give it a try. Your baby can try these different flavors. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys next time. Bye.